British manufacturing is on a downward trajectory, and it could give the Bank of England more impetus to cut interest rates.
So I think they'll do 25 basis points this Thursday. I think that's mainly more of a signal to markets that they are there. It's more a case of what happens after that. Do we see additional quantitative easing programs? Do we see more credit lending to UK businesses? Do we see some form of plan with the Treasury to back loans to small and medium-sized enterprises? All of these things are being kicked around at the moment.
Measures of output and new orders fell below the 50 mark. The output index fell to 47.8 in July from 53.6 in June. New orders suffered their sharpest turnaround since 1998 and fell at their fastest rate in over 3 years.
I certainly think the majority of the near-term impact is going to be Brexit related. It shows that the new orders are lower, confidence is lower, and if we start to see that move into fears around employment, for example, and certainly wage negotiations over the course of the next 6, 12, 18 months, and that's going to make sure that we are going to see further negativity within the manufacturing sector.
Data covering the post-Brexit period has been scarce so far, but there are signs consumer confidence is struggling.
The weakness of the pound may benefit some companies if they are export-facing, but for a lot of UK manufacturing entities which may be part of a global supply chain or who may simply bring in products from abroad, finish them to a certain standard here in the UK and then sell them here locally, then the Brexit risk is a huge risk to their business moving forward.
A once-off preliminary reading shows services companies have been especially hard hit by the referendum result. Leslie Mirungu, CCTV.